Good day, class. Now, today we will start our lesson 4, which is the structure of the atom, the discovery of a subatomic particle. Now, before the scientists discovered what's inside an atom, they believed that atoms were solid, indivisible spheres. But through time and experiments, scientists found something surprising. They are made up of smaller particles called these subatomic particles. Now, today we will talk about how these particles were discovered and who contributed to our understanding of this atom. Alright, so first is si J.J. Thomson. In 1897, si J.J. Thomson used a device called a cathode ray tube. He noticed that the beam inside the tube moved toward the positive plate, which means that the beam was made of negatively charged particles. Now, this is how he discovered the electron. Because of this, he proposed the plum pudding model, where the atom looks like a pudding of positive charge with electrons scattered inside like raisins. Yun yung discovery ni J.J. Thomson. Next is si Ernest Rutherford. Si Rutherford naman, he conducted the famous gold foil experiment. If you are familiar with that, yung nag-propose niyan is si Ernest Rutherford. Now, he shot an alpha particle at a thin gold foil and then expected them to pass straight through. Now, most did bounce back, which shocked him. This led to discovery of a nucleus, a small dense positively charged center. Now, he concluded na yung atom daw is mostly empty space. Electron move around the nucleus. Now, next is si Henry Moseley. Si Moseley, siya yung nakadiscover na each element has a unique number of proton. This led to the modern periodic table arranged by the atomic number, not the atomic mass. Now, he proved that the atomic number of proton defines the identity of an element. Example, an element that consists of one proton, that is hydrogen. Now, next is si Neil Bohr. Si Neil Bohr, siya yung nag-improve ng Rutherford's model by showing that electron move in a specific energy levels or yung mga orbits around the nucleus. I will make a separate video for that. Now, this made the atomic model more organized and predictable. Okay, now let's summarize this up. Si Thomson, siya yung nakadiscover ng electron. Si Rutherford, siya yung nakadiscover ng nucleus. Si Moseley, siya yung nag-explain ng atomic number. And then si Bohr, siya yung nag-introduce ng electron and energy levels. Now, these discoveries shaped the modern understanding of atom and opened the door to chemistry and modern physics. Alright, so these discoveries shaped the modern understanding of atom and opened the door to chemistry and modern physics. Now that ends our discussion and the discovery of subatomic particles. And in our next lesson, we will explore how these discoveries form the modern atomic model. Thank you, class, and bye-bye!